Here at NSL Analytical, we're providing high science testing solutions to companies across the materials manufacturing community. Since 1945, our team has helped clients ensure the highest standards of quality, performance, and safety. At our facilities in Cleveland, Ohio, NSL scientists, engineers, and technicians are focused on providing accurate and timely results. In the analytical chemistry laboratory, this includes chemistry across the periodic table using mass spectroscopy, X-ray fluorescence, and X-ray diffraction. It also includes a fully capable suite of metal powder testing and polymer physical and chemical properties testing. In the metallurgical testing facility, we take samples large and small and characterize them using scanning electron microscopy and high-resolution optical microscopy. We test the strength and durability of metals at ambient, cold, and high temperatures. Our testing solutions support manufacturers in critical areas of national need, from forgings to casting to welding and joining. We're powering the quality behind new markets from additive manufacturing to batteries to hypersonics. And of course, it's the people that make it go. NSL Analytical team members are customer focused and bring a range of scientific technical backgrounds in chemistry and materials science. We've been around for over 75 years and are excited for the next 75.